Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, iconic career mentor, best-selling author and recipient of India's top career counselor award. In my iconic career talk show series, I invite professionals who have embarked on this journey of building an iconic career. My guest today is Sarika Arwel. She is a project management and operations leader in the CSR, corporate social responsibility sector. So I take this opportunity to talk to Sarika, and Sarika, now it's all yours. Please introduce yourself. Tell me more about what you do.
Yeah. Hello, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarika. I'm a CSR Program Leader. So my job profile includes I help NGOs, corporates, individuals to strategize their CSR projects in social sector. I monitor their projects, monitor the outcomes of the project, and assist them in disbursing fund to various projects in health, education, community development, skill development. So yes,
Wonderful.
And apart from that,
So your role is very critical to operationalizing a CSR initiative, right? So because you are responsible for
yes.
Planning, delivery, execution, so you're responsible, correct?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So Sarika, before you met me, right, before you decided to engage with me as your mentor, what were some of the challenges that you're facing in your career? First of all, can you just tell us, like, overall, how much experience do you have?
I come with more than 10 years experience in CSR sector. Like I worked on NGOs, I worked in corporates also. And before meeting you, like from 2017-18, I can say that I was facing a problem of financial growth. I was getting job offers, but it was equivalent pay or less than that pay which I was getting. I was not getting financial growth as well as a positional growth. So
right.
There I decided to join your program.
So your primary challenge was around growth, both in terms of roles, responsibilities, as well as in terms of financial growth, correct?
Financial, yes.
Okay.
And I was also not having clarity how to address that like a problem, like what is the way I can develop my skills to go ahead in that career also. So
right. So like in terms of how you want to what to do next, what's your next career move, what's your where do you want to steer your career vision? You wanted clarity around that as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, wonderful. So Sarika, like after you completed the program, after you went through the 2 months iconic career mentorship program, which I understand that you went through a lot of transformation, starting with clarity. So what is your career vision for the next 3 years? Where do you see yourself?
I want to be a CSR leader. I want to lead a company which is having a pan-India CSR project implementations. And I'm happy I'm getting that roles nowadays.
Very good, very good. So you have a lot of clarity in terms of your vision right now, where you want to be 3 years, 5 years from now, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now, apart from clarity, what are some of the changes, transformations, wins that you have had ever since you completed the program? Actually, can you share some of them?
Yes. First of all, though, I get lot of confidence. Like initially, I was heading the implementation team, but I was doing the work and somebody else was presenting. So my management got that confidence. Now you have done that and you can present in front of client and we'll go ahead with you. So that decision making came to me indirectly and slowly. So I was happy they also see the confidence has been increased on the topics which I am talking about or working about. Secondly, during this program, with my work and the behavior change which they have seen, they have given me the bonus first time in 9 years of the company. So that was the biggest achievement, like performance bonus they gave to me. Uh, they've increased my salary by 30%. So
Wonderful.
which is
Congratulations. I
high.
think that's
Yeah.
that addressed your second problem, which was around financial growth, right? So you got a bonus
Yes.
as well as a hike in salary. Wonderful. Um, what other changes and transformations?
And as you said, while joining the program, if you build your profile and you start connecting with right kind of people, you will get good job opportunities also. So almost every week I get a job offer and it get converted into the actual interview and appointment letter. So there were 3-4 companies which were behind me to join their office on my terms and conditions. So yes,
So have you
I'm.
accepted any offer? Have you accepted any offer lately?
No, not yet, not yet.
Because you have some priorities, is it like personal priorities? Is that why?
Not personal priority, but wherever I am getting what I wanted to do, like a large scale implementations of these CSR projects, and I'm also waiting to let this lockdown get bit relaxed and I can travel.
Yeah.
So for that thing, I'm waiting.
You're just waiting, but
recently I
opportunities.
got an offer from Raymond CSR.
Oh, wonderful. So opportunities are coming your way. You are not accepting it because of COVID and other reasons. You have some
Yes.
constraints around that. So it's just a matter of time. So I'm very happy to hear that. So do you feel like you have transformed yourself and your career after completing the mentorship program?
Yes, of course. It's career also, family life also, personal life also, and there are very small things which your program teach, like respect your time, and if you respect your time, everybody will respect your time. So we have seen like even there are like 7 or 8 people, you will start on the time, and even if it is 1 minute delay, you will say sorry for that 1 minute delay. So that makes a hardcore professional. So those simple things I've started implementing in my personal life also and professionally also. So which has given me a lot of respect from the other people also. And if I'm not able to follow certain deadlines, I communicate well in advance. This is the reason and I will not be able to do it. Then your visualization techniques of career, like everybody visualize I want this house, I want to travel this place, but nobody visualize their career, where they should. So before giving any interview, I visualize myself in that office and I'm giving the interview. They're giving me the job offer letter and everything, and every interview of my getting successful. So
wonderful.
Literally that
So
those people are calling me.
You are one of those mentees who has been actively taking action. Okay, and actions produce results, right? One of the areas that I emphasize in the program is personal branding, so that you stand out, you become known in the world, and you from day one you have been putting an effort to build your personal brand. Can you share some experience there, particularly around your LinkedIn experience, how you became more visible, how things changed for you when you became visible on LinkedIn?
So when we joined your program and when we had that LinkedIn session, that time my follower was like 500 people were in my network. Now around like 1700 people are in my network, and whenever I post anything, I do recruitment also, and people recommend good people to me also. Whenever I'm my job is more on networking side. So I need sometimes NGOs, I need vendors, I need people. So to just I don't have to call anybody. I have to just post on LinkedIn, and within a day my jobs get done. If I need one NGO, I will have 50 NGOs recommendations.
So you have established reasonable credibility in the marketplace for your work, right? They trust you, and you get immediate response from your peers and your vendors. You get immediate response, correct?
Correct. And I also got lot of individual assignments through LinkedIn. So I was very happy. I was also able to help certain NGOs to get funding over through the LinkedIn contacts. So that way also that community was coming forward and helping us. So
wonderful.
That's all because of
do you
your
feel
program.
Do you feel you are now more popular, more known in your industry? Do you feel that?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. I think that's the transformation. Like that's a big transformation for you, because that will help you in your rapid career growth, like accelerating your career. Because now people see you as an expert and authority in the industry, which is a great initiative. And again, kudos to all the actions that you've taken. As I said, you have been a very good student, a very good mentee, and you've taken all the actions. You continue to take actions, and that's why I considered taking your feedback on the program. Now, a last question that I have is, so I'm sure you would have come across many career coaches and mentors. So what is it about me that resonated with you first? Second is, like, after you went through the program, what are one or two unique things that you observed about me and my program?
When I attended your seminar, and it was more of a theoretical side, and I immediately reached out to you and given my feedback. Sir, there was a story missing, and I understand it is very serious matter, career related, but it was a good, and I would like to join. And you immediately respond, okay, your feedback is well taken. Otherwise, people start giving explanations. They don't accept. Okay, your feedback is accepted. And then you asked me certain questions which made me think. There was no false claims or false promises given. You were straight away said, okay, if you realize these things, I will guide you, but you need to take action. Then only things will work out. So other people saying you just attend for 90 minutes, you attend for this and these things will happen. But you said whatever amount you give or whatever time you think, but once you take the action, then only you will see the result. So there was some logic, and I feel okay, he's there to guide, and I just have to take the action. So which is very doable action. And you said okay, every week you have to only spend 3 hours or 4 hours on the assignments, and result will follow. So that logic and that practicality clicked me, and I said okay. And the next day also you explain the whole process. So the interest taken in individual, whether that person is your client or not client, but that I appreciated a lot. Somebody is there and given me time and listened to me. So I thought of connecting to you.
Wonderful. So, and after during the course of the program, after the program, what were one or two unique things about me and the content in the program? What did you find different actually?
You got a secret formula, sir.
Right. I wouldn't use the word secret formula. It's like a process, right? It's a process that works. Because one thing I promise my mentees is that there is no secret formula, but there is a definite process for success. That's what I say. If you follow the process, you'll get the success. You'll get whatever you want. And I think you have been very steadfastly implementing that process, actually, right? So you found the process to be very unique, is it?
Yes, and it's a step by step. Though LinkedIn was very powerful, but you kept at the end, because if you go through all that processes, then only you should go and update on the LinkedIn. And people come from a different sector to you, whether it is the IT industry, me coming from social sector. In our batch, there was a Spanish teacher or Spanish language consultant also. But you cater to everyone's need, and whether it is person is at a junior level or senior level or mid-professional level, and there was Vijay or Kundan who are at a higher level also in age and in positions also. Still you understand what are the problems faced, industry specific and individual specific, and you were able to guide. So your knowledge was up to date. So that's why I said it's a secret formula. Ki everyone can't cater to that group. So that.
Sarika, like this, it's been a wonderful interview. You have shared, your experience, your feedback. Any parting thought? Anything you would like to say about the program and like about me as a mentor? Any parting thought, actually?
I think everyone should go through this process, whether they are facing the problem or they are not facing the problem in career. But once you join and if you follow the process, within short period of time, you will realize your own potentials and you will achieve maximum like within 6 months to 7-8 months. So yes, I recommend everyone your program. I recommended your books also. So whoever like candidates come in recruitment and say Kina, I have so much of years of experience, my CV is not got shortlisted, why like what is the feedback on interview? So I said Kina, you can invest minimum amount and go to Sushant sir, you will get answers for yourself. You don't have to explain to me, you have to explain to yourself.
Thank you for the referral, Sarika. Wonderful, Sarika. Like this has been a great interview, and thanks for sharing your feedback. Really appreciate you giving time to this, and I wish you the very best. I know you are on that journey of building an iconic career, and I don't have any doubts. Feel free to reach out to me whenever you need any. You have to make any important decisions, or you need any guidance. Okay, so you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.